Hey guys, Eric Canada here. I got another project to show. Originally this one's called Stockland. I went ahead and put it on my Git and set it up through this application here. So basically what this is, these are my top 3 stocks. This one's Apple, Microsoft, forget what that one is, but basically what this is, it's a lot of stock metadata, and it's basically daily prices, open, high, low, and close, and then these are just the datas and the symbols, and then the time and date that this happened. These are repeated every time my API calls to this. So it's not complete, but it's just right now I'm storing the values here each time the API fetches the data. Down here I have some tabs here that kind of explain about the stock market. So click on this one first. We have some things here, and these are just kind of give you some understanding about what we're talking about here when we're talking about market capitalization. Underneath each section is a video that corresponds to each section. So go ahead and show some of these here. Growth versus value. This explains what a dividend payment is and different types and everything. This explains why the location matters, and some additional information about the stock market here. So this is basically the front end of the project, and it's basically going and fetching data here. So let me show the other end of the project here. So I have this here pulled up. I'll go ahead and open it up here so we can look at some of the code. So I wanted to open this up and give kind of a visual representation of what's going on. What I'm going to show is here. This is the server that runs the back end. The back end here, it's runs the API. The API here, this is a free API, so you guys can use it if you want, but it's from Alpha Vantage, and I'm basically I'm taking the symbol, my API key, and I'm requesting information based on that symbol. Here, app.py, this is what fetches the information. It's fairly simple here. Basically, we're using these things to run it. Some functions from that other thing, or some functions from the API. And it's basically making a route to the front end here, and that this is where it, after the API fetches the data, it takes it and it packages it with this and sends it off to the front end. So these just collect information, this one from the API. Here, sorry, this one actually fetches the information, and this one packages that information for the front end. I have a file here, it's called data manipulation. This is another part of it that basically it's unfinished, but I was going to collect the information that the API gets, and instead of showing it on the front end of the application like this, I was going to store it into a database, which I did. This here, it's basically, I'm basically reading this list status, and you can get this from that API that I just showed you. Let me see what they're called, from Alpha Vantage. So you can download this from Alpha Vantage, and it's basically all of the listings of the stocks that are available right now. So there's a lot of them. So I was going to use this as a base of a database to store information, the stock information as it's called. So this is what I made this. This basically reads that, and it sends back the structure of the listing status, CBS. And then it takes it and it converts it into a stock database here. So can't open it from here, but if we go to backend, data manipulation, these are the old ones. But you basically run that and it turns it into this, and then writes it into stock database. And all this is here at the moment is it's two sheets connected together, sheet 1 and then stock data. And the sheet 1 is just it's a rewritten version of what I showed you up there of all the stocks. And then it correlates and it just stores the stock information that it sends off. So that's basically what it does, and it's not very structured or organized, but it is labeled by symbols, so you can see all the stock information from Apple and then Microsoft and then the third one. So it's all collected and stored here. And later I was going to have a user interact with this, but I ran out of time. So I just wanted to show you guys that just so you know how it kind of operates. But that's the gist of it, is you do that and then you modify which stocks you want to view the data on, and then the data is stored and it can be manipulated for further use. So that's basically what the project entails. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry about the mess up here, but yeah, I hope you guys learn something about it. The website is up, so if you go here you can look at it and look at these videos and stuff if you like. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good night.